In the year 1300, the largest library in all of Europe was the University Library in Paris, which housed a total of around 300 individual manuscripts. At the time, it was estimated that one book alone would have cost as much as a house, so 300 would have been almost unfathomable. Of course, this was all pre-printing press, the word manuscript actually coming from Latin manus, meaning hand, and scriptus, meaning written. These works were so highly valued because of the intense labor involved in transcribing texts completely by hand. But it wasn't strictly the written words that made these books so exquisite. It was not uncommon to find illustrations within these codices. It could be something simple such as a decorative letter known as a versal, which can be found at the beginning of a section in a book, or as elaborate as a full-page painting. These designs have been known to feature a wide array of subject matter such as plants, animals, architecture, letters and words, people, or simply artistic motifs. These illustrated books are known as illuminated manuscripts and are signaled not only by their elaborate designs, but also by their use of bright colors and embellishments of silver and gold. And of course, the gold leafing used in these designs is, unsurprisingly, how these works came to be described as illuminated in the first place. And these little drawings within the books became known as miniatures. But the reason for this moniker actually has nothing to do with their size. Instead, it is a reference to a flame-colored pigment called Minium. The pigment that we know today as Minium, also referred to as red lead or orange lead, is the result of the further processing of ceruse, the initial creation of which is somewhat stomach-turning. Strips of lead are placed into a clay pot with a strong vinegar. The pot is then covered over and surrounded by manure. Over the course of the next month, the vinegar fumes will react with the lead, creating lead acetate. Meanwhile, as the manure ferments, it begins to release carbon dioxide, which reacts with the acetate, turning it into lead carbonate, or white lead. The carbonate, bright white and flaky, can then be powdered, formed into tablets, and then sold, commonly to be used in paint, cosmetics, enamel, ceramics, and home decor, like wallpaper or house paint. Alternatively, the pigment can be heated over a fire until it turns the bright flame-colored red of Minium. Like white lead, Minium was also used as a cosmetic, records of this showing up in both ancient Greece as well as ancient China. It was also very popular as a pigment for artists. However, there were some major drawbacks to red lead. Minium is known to have not mixed well with other pigments, including its close sibling ceruse, which, given the ubiquity of white lead, was quite difficult for artists to work around. Additionally, it was highly toxic, causing lead poisoning, a fact that had been known for centuries, but its use continued on due to both its bright color and its affordability. Minium was able to be cheaply produced, which made it an attractive alternative to the far more costly vermilion, a product of the mineral cinnabar. This is likely why Minium became the default red pigment used in manuscripts of the Middle Ages, and why its name carried on to influence the evolution of our word miniature. Let's take a closer look at the etymology. Miniature comes directly from the Italian miniatura, which is a word used to describe an illumination within a manuscript or a small painting. This is a descendant of the verb miniare, meaning to illuminate a manuscript, taken straight from the Latin miniare, which meant to paint red, directly connecting it to Minium. However, here is where the etymology gets a bit murky. We know that the word Minium is related to the Minho River that runs through Spain and Portugal, but it seems to be unclear whether the river was named for the natural deposits of Minium found in it, or vice versa. Interestingly, it seems as though Minium also shares a lineage with the word mine, which comes from the medieval Latin mina or minera, meaning ore, suggesting that mine or to mine is directly linked to Minium. And to take it a step further, it has also been suggested that both terms may be derived from or are at least related to the Basque word for cinnabar, armenea. This etymological connection between cinnabar and red lead makes more sense when we take into account the fact that Minium was used to describe both substances, due to the fact that they are closely related in color. However, the two have completely different chemical compositions. You see, cinnabar is quite a rare mineral, and as such was very expensive when compared to red lead, which was cheap and easy to synthesize, making it much more accessible to most painters. The color is slightly different, with red lead skewing more orange, but the two colors were close enough to be interchangeable in a colloquial sense. Yet regardless of which pigment was used, they were both utilized in works of miniare, as the word simply means to paint something red, making them equal influences in our word miniature. Though since red lead was far easier to obtain than cinnabar, it generally became the default pigment used for these illuminations, and ended up carrying the moniker of Minium into the present day. Miniatures could often be found in manuscripts of the Middle Ages through to the Renaissance. However, how elaborate or numerous was completely dependent on how much a patron was willing to spend. A well-illuminated manuscript was something of a status symbol of the day. It indicated that not only could a person read, but they could afford to have someone transcribe a work by hand and illustrate it as well. These manuscripts are known to have covered many different concepts. There were scholarly books, books of poetry, and stories, but generally speaking, most of the surviving manuscripts are religious in nature. In the West, there are texts concerning Jewish doctrine as well as Islamic. However, the most common manuscripts, at least from Europe, focus on Christianity. More specifically, it seems that one of the first ever bestsellers was the Book of Hours, also known as Hours of the Virgin, a collection of 8 Christian prayers which serve to praise the Virgin Mary as the mother of Jesus. Although each of these manuscripts contain the same 8 prayers, no two are alike. Some are austere, covering the basics, but others feature elaborate illuminations and can also incorporate other prayers, psalms, gospel lessons, and they often include calendars as well. Notably, these calendar pages often highlighted holy days, with the date being written in our bright Minium, which serves as the origin of the phrase Red Letter Day. When we think of medieval or Renaissance art in modern times, illuminated manuscripts may be overlooked in favor of paintings or sculptures. Yet at the time, it was the illuminations that were so revered by collectors and art lovers, with oil painting only achieving a popularity comparable to illuminated manuscripts in the late 1400s. In fact, as oil painting became more popular, many miniaturists began working in this new medium, bringing their knowledge and perspective to the art, influencing it as it evolved. And it is truly remarkable what these artists were able to do on such a small scale. Fully fledged and often complex renderings depicting motifs such as elaborate Celtic knots through to plants and animals, and scenes from nature, cities, and the Bible. There was so much put into these little drawings that they took on a life of their own. Miniatures grew into their own phenomenon, to the point where society has completely forgotten where the word miniature has even come from. We don't associate it with a color at all. Just cute things, pocket-sized things, easy-to-lose things. But there's a lot of history wrapped up in that tiny little package. Thank you so much for listening all the way through if you did. Please leave a like if you would like to hear more episodes. Also feel free to leave a comment if there are any other words you would like to see covered in the future.